Well, right now, Geyser is in jail in Cook County, Illinois. Police are holding her there. Lucas Kim spoke with an attorney about next steps for Geyser. And Lucas, what should we expect to happen next?
Hey, Amber and Brandon. So before Morgan Geyser can come back to back to Wisconsin, she has to go through an extradition hearing. That's going to be happening in Illinois tomorrow. Now, I spoke with a criminal justice attorney, and he tells me that she has to be mentally stable in order to come back to Wisconsin.
This is really an unprecedented case.
23-year-old Morgan Geyser is set to have an extradition hearing Tuesday in Illinois. Geyser ran away from her group home late Saturday evening with a man. Now she's set to face a judge to return to Wisconsin.
There's always a question of competency.
Madison-based criminal defense attorney Corey Malo says the judge will have to determine if Geyser is mentally stable to come back.
And if someone is not mentally well enough to either understand the proceedings and substantially help their lawyer in that process, or really can make a decision that they would need to make in that type of a situation, then the judge has to evaluate through a psychologist typically whether they have the competency to make their own decisions, and the judge might suspend the proceedings or stop them until a psychologist and the judge all have a chance to talk in court, and the judge decides whether they are able to make decisions or help their attorney.
Waukesha County officials held a press conference today saying that Geyser will be charged in Dane County for her escape. Then it will be up to the Department of Health Services to determine if Geyser should go back into custody.
It will be up to Department of Health Services whether they file a petition to revoke her conditional release. We are certainly hopeful that they do proceed with that. We fully support it.
Malo says Geyser could face additional charges once she returns.
The prosecutor would have to decide whether there is a law in the books that fits this situation, and if so, whether it's appropriate to charge her separate and distinct from her being returned here to Wisconsin.
Malos also mentioned that Geyser's mental health could play a significant role as to why she decided to leave Wisconsin. Reporting live in Madison, I'm Lucas Kim.